Hello and welcome to the Magna Science Adventure Centre here in Rotherham, where today we're celebrating the 15th anniversary of Get Up to Speed with STEM, brought to you by the WorkWise Foundation. This is a free, hands-on career event designed especially for students, parents and teachers, showcasing the best there is in science, technology, engineering and manufacturing. Let's dive in and explore the incredible world of STEM.
I think the last 15 years, Matt, have been a bit a roller coaster, really. It's been fantastic, it's been exhausting, it's been exhilarating. Just seeing so many smiling faces today at the end of 2 days is just phenomenal, and I still remember that first event 15 years ago, and that again, the same smiling faces.
So 3 years ago I started working for the WorkWise Foundation and organising the Get Up to Speed event, and the growth of the event in the past 3 years has been amazing. We're now on 2 days instead of one, with more opportunities for SEN and primary school students as well.
So you've been involved right from the start. Tell us about that.
Well, I have, yeah, very much so. And, you know, thanks to people like John and Janice and many others. And it was really, how can we help industry connect with young people?
I remember coming here, you know, it's such an inspirational event, and it's crazy how time flies. And now, you know, I'm flying back from Zandvoort, a Formula One track, to speak at an event that I was a little school child at. And I hope that, you know, some of the young people here have seen today will inspire them to do similar things, and, you know, in a few years' time we'll see them speaking on the stage too.
We won a competition to try and design our own ejector seat mechanism, and we had to design that and present it to a load of people, and we ended up winning. And now we've got to build this model of it. It was really good. I think it built a lot of teamwork skills and presenting skills, and it really built our confidence and time management as well.
I really like engineering, and I feel like this was really fun today for someone who really likes engineering.
We're on a real drive to develop kind of the early talent pipeline, the drive that we want to kind of bring young people in. We have over 100 apprenticeships in our business at the moment, and we want to grow that, and we want to bring people in, and we want to have the next kind of future leadership coming through AMCO, and these sort of events are perfect to get people in.
A lot of people don't understand kind of the advances in technology and how important kind of choosing a career is.
These events are so important because where else can you engage with this many young people in one place? It's really important for us. We're growing our business. We're looking at bringing in some young people this year. We're going to take an apprentice on for the first time and some work placements. And this is a really great opportunity for us to meet the young people who we'll be wanting to take on in 5 years' time.
It's been brilliant to have such interactive stalls, and they've been really engaged with the different activities that they can take part in, and it's been a real positive start to their journey into their career.
So basically I love all the shops, all the workshops and stuff, and I really like it. It's very interactive and stuff, yeah.
I would say my favourite part was the colouring and the marshmallowing, because the marshmallow, it can show you your abilities of not giving up on your creativity.
When you look at some of the topics here, whether it be AES seals, whether it be McLaren, there are so many there where people can actually look at them and say they're making the world's best at something. And these young people will get a chance to see that and hopefully think, yeah, I can be a part of that.
You've been involved with Get Up to Speed for quite a few years now. Tell me about that.
So Get Up to Speed is really great because the enthusiasm of the young people, that's what makes it for us, and that's why we're here. That's why we're bringing other organisations that we work with to this event, because the young people, this area, so much potential. There's so much untapped potential across Rotherham and Sheffield and Barnsley, and we really want to tap into that.
I think events like this are quite important. Obviously, we want to promote kids into engineering as much as we can, boys and girls. So it's a good opportunity for them to obviously get more involved with some of the local businesses, understanding what engineering and manufacturing is all about.
My dream is to see people like Beth succeed and make sure that it's still our sort of, you know, it's still happening in 15 years' time. We want to see our dream continue, because it was a dream 15 years ago, John, and we've got the future here, it's standing at the side of me.
We'd love to see you again at next year's event on the 18th and 19th of March 2026. Please head to the WorkWise Foundation website for more information and we'll see you there.